Karma Studios. Good news Richie and say Sabri, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Motherland, at present a 500,000 a 500k and a 5 billion UDS and a more from the World University Games, of course, where China.
This is 500,000 Ghana Cedis to be presented to Professor. It's a reward to the team.
I'm on a Paulista University and a University Free Brazil and a Kobo the final match and then Ghana University you to a friend UDS no or more Etimisha Paulista University 2-1 away extra time no more winning this competition.
Turn home to Spain. And very shortly Campion. The gold medalist UDS led by Al Hassan Zakaria, followed by George Rinchi.
Please welcome the gold medalists.
Almost a historic story at Africa as first African university to win that competition. And your mama says I breed the ebusian want me judge more jibun full story no full Justina your full videos and footages you never be somewhere Karma Studios in the dikanya follow you now if you subscribe to your platform baby be share bia Facebook never share and subscribe just a YouTube ni anything any TikTok no so baby dey follow you say be update be of where social media no so no once bit maka na ensema wo honesa busuan say the bidiga kind 28th of September mechuma last month and a Ghana University I friend a UDS or more tamale etimi ko win a University Games of course where China abusuan we ebe set as historic ebi currency that way Africa the football mu and I say Africa ye history mu say university betimi ko win that competition am set a record na etama e ba so na abusuan na ye bojo mu so mo ya de BC the na den ye mfre from national team num ye promote omo ye nim ko we a say omobo ho de Ghana football under 20 under 17 and 15 now so e wi acheni hu o mase ene I mean His Excellency yesterday you want me your more 5 billion to UDS.
This is 500,000 Ghana Cedis to be presented to Professor. It's a reward to the team for the good job you have done.
And I feel just a coaches and any students now mutimi ebo mo bodin kwaje sa cap no de buy and sa breed 5 billion e komo mo na nya no kwa mananso a wo se omo a mutimi e ko win sa games no sa competition de buy no they are going to make sure say omo injo mo agije mu omo betimi nya baby page na world football na se de bia da chi bia kan se mo betima ka say these people they were the people a mutimi lead Ghana UDS to the victory.
My government, through the Ministry of Sports and Recreation and the Ministry of Education, is working to strengthen youth and university sports systems to ensure that talented students or athletes like you are identified, developed, and supported to reach professional levels. And this is what the Minister of Sports and Recreation was talking about. We're setting up the School Sports Authority, which will concentrate on sports from the basic level to the secondary level to the university level.
Almost set a record no. They say unjo mo now FISU they are also setting a strategic way from primary JHS, SHS up to the university level no. Ye bitimi strengthen your football no na afi bi achi no be say also edisika bebre o yema mo also be economic sector a bit me I just say yearly income the country.
And so it's going to have a separate budget and it will hold constant competitions amongst universities and secondary schools. Our goal, therefore, is to develop a new ecosystem where sports is seen not only as entertainment, but as a viable sector contributing to Ghana's economic growth.
Because different sectors, you the musical sector, you the one sector, now football sector, I mean, His Excellency they are going to make sure that they are going to strengthen a hustle, it made income. Said the Bayer, Uko Germany, Uko Spain, Uko France, Uko SCS, Saudi, also the Muajim, Uko Italy, now almost wetima a setting up a football. Na abusuan ya kono no bitimiko tena TV so no hwe ma dichi so bitimi so na 12 no oba behwe Inter Miami ebo na busuya no say football na wutumi pa ye ka games wutumi and football so ka ho disabled his excellency say he is going to strengthen that sector, the football sector no na eno so timi discovery o man mo na mum UDS ne de hunjo mo agegemu omo 5 billion en fansho mo.
Beating no mean a team than Brazil. In all the speeches, you have not emphasized that it's Brazil we beat to bring this trophy home. That's an amazing feat who have done us this honor. We're very happy to receive you at the presidency, and we feel honored by the presentation of the very, very enviable trophy that you have brought to Ghana. Beating no mean a team than Brazil. In all the speeches, you have not emphasized that it's Brazil we beat to bring this trophy home. That's an amazing feat. But I want to express appreciation to the management of the university and the student body and everybody associated with the university. This university began as a dream and a vision of former President J.J. Rawlings. And I remember when he went and was given the World Food Prize, his prize money of $50,000, he awarded it as the seed money to start the university. At the time, it was like planting a mustard seed. A mustard seed is so small, you cannot imagine that that seed will grow to become a big tree like UDS has grown to become. We're all proud of UDS. At the time UDS started, there was no public university in the northern part of Ghana. And so it was the dream of Flight Lieutenant Rawlings to begin the first public university with multiple campuses in all the other 3 northern regions. Today, all these are separate universities and all of them are thriving and doing very well. I have an association with your university. My father has a farm near Yape, which I've taken over, and I'm doing some livestock. So the farm has an association with your animal department for practicals, and I'm very proud that your students come there from time to time to come and add the practical side of knowledge. I know that UDS is a university that goes more for practical and getting students involved in community development than most others. And so all the things you said about the university, I am proud of the achievements that you are making. And so without wasting too much time, I'll just say good morning to all of you and welcome you to the presidency. And say it gives me great pleasure to receive you, the gallant male football team of the University of Development Studies, who have brought immense pride and glory to Ghana by winning the World University Football Games. On behalf of the government and the people of Ghana, I extend warm congratulations to you, your coaches, and the entire UDS community for this extraordinary achievement on the global stage. The World University Football Games represents the highest level of international competition in football for student athletes, bringing together some of the best young talents from universities across the world. Competing and triumphing at that level is no small achievement. It demonstrates Ghana's growing reputation in global sports and the depth of talent that our country possesses. This victory is not only a win for UDS, it is a statement that Ghanaian youth can compete and excel anywhere in the world when given the right opportunity and support. Your success also highlights the importance of university sports as a bridge between education, academia, and professional athletic development, and as a tool for promoting international friendship, cultural exchange, and national pride. Your performance on the world stage has inspired millions of young Ghanaians and rekindled our collective belief in the potential of sports as a unifying and transformative force. You carried Ghana's flag with dignity, discipline, and passion, values that define our national character. This, your victory, demonstrates that success is possible when we combine talent with teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. I commend your Vice Chancellor, the management, and the Sports Directorate of UDS for their vision and unwavering support for student athletes. Unfortunately, in school I was at what I am, so let me confess that before I continue. The university's balanced focus on academic excellence, character development, and sports has paid off, producing world-class ambassadors of Ghanaian education and resilience in the sports sector. The achievement is also a tribute to the broader investment UDS has made in nurturing young people who excel beyond the classroom. To the players, I say congratulations. You've done yourselves, your university, and your country proud. But let this victory be the foundation, not the finish line.
Kode na amamfa Germany na emma wiase na ho se de mo ye no aso man nani na aso the continent nso ni ntie bo maba so na se de be ya abusua bitimi motivate the others are also good in their field so that they can also do and promote the country at large. Come studios me hu wadwunche comment section ase any news e be drop bia na ye de be somewhere on this platform. You finally out.